Kay McLagan yn y lledu at Jones. Day. Yn ffigio ac yn twyll o McDonald mewn i'r cwrt at McLagan. McLagan! Ashley Morris yn ein dda i gwmpo lawr o hwnna. McLagan yn trio gwasgu'r ergyd rhwng Morris a y postyn agosa. A mae allan am gic gornel. A hwnna yw'r cyfle gorau gêm hyd yn hyn. Tafliad yn un hir fewn i'r cwrt. Cael ei fflic ymlaen. A Absalom! Oedd yr ergyd yna'n syth ato fe gan Wood. Ond Absalom yn neud yn dda gyda'r arbediad. Newydd mewn i'r tîm ers wrthos diwetha. Kane Owen yn gyrru ymlaen. Kane Owen unwaith eto. Mae Bobman yn yr gêm yma. A'r ergyd yna bron a taro nod Kane Owen. Seren a hanner cyntaf o bellfwrdd. Yn casglu'r bêl rhydd ac yn ergydio yn herio Absalom yn y gôl. Sam Snaith, cwydda cyntaf ar eilydd. Methu cadw'r bêl am hir. Kay McLagan, heibio i Billy Borge. McLagan, Jarvis o'i flaen McLagan, mas at Day. Day yn ergydio ac yn y cyffyrddiad yna gan Ashley Morris i weithio i dros y trawst. A Barri wedi dechrau'r hanner ma'n dda, a dyna yw'r gorau. Ni wedi gweld hyd yn hyn. Day yn gorfodi Ashley Morris i roi'r arbediad. Wood. Owen. A rediad tu fas iddo fe, Kane Owen. A at Ryan Reynolds, cyfuno da nawr gan Penybont. Yn rhoi'r pwysau ar y Barri. Barri, methu a chlirio yn bell. Miles Davis, yn mynd o bell, Miles Davis! Heibio'r postyn o Absalom. Yn ymestyn amdani. Wood yn casglu. Harling yn gweud am y bêl. Da gan Green. I ddwyn y bêl. Oddi wrth Ryan Reynolds. A Barri nawr yn ymosod. Yn y munud ola. Kay McLagan. Ar ochr y Cook Cosby. Kay McLagan fewn i'r cwrt. Kane McLagan! A cyffyrddiad gan Ashley Morris gyda'i drod. Ymestyn amdani. I arbed. Be bydde gol yn y munud ola. Snaith, pen ymlaen. Georgievski yn casglu. Georgievski yn sodi nôl at Harling. Harling, cael ei blocio. Dim stori Hollywood i Ryan Reynolds ar ddiwedd y gêm yma i ennill y pwyntiau gyd i Penybont.
I thought without the ball we played well, worked really hard. Typical Penybont performance without the ball. Just with the ball, probably lacked a little bit of quality in the final third. They set up well defensively, nice defensive shape about them, and it was tough to break them down. But when we did, we got into some good areas and just lacked that little bit of quality to finish them off or get the goal. There's always going to be one goal that won it today. What I would say is I've said many times that we lacked quality in the final third, and I haven't said it for a while, so we're improving all the time, and I suppose we're allowed one every now and again now.
7 changes from last week. Happy with those changes?
Yeah, I thought the boys done great. You know, look, I think looking at the game itself, I think the point is a fair result. I think the best chance of the game have probably fallen to us, but if you give me a point before the game after last week's result, then obviously I would have taken it. And you know, those boys have come in today and done ever so well.
And after last week, a clean sheet is probably very pleasing as well.
Yeah, look, I said to the boys, you know, we're in a hole after last week, and we know it's not good enough by our standards. We know we haven't been good enough by our standards all season. But you go away and concede those types of goals and the manner of that defeat, particularly the second half performance. You know, you've got to find out about yourself, and I think today they've shown a hell of a good response. Next,
you've got the cup game against Tafswell. You said after the last round of the cup that you wanted Tafswell at home. Looking forward to it?
Yeah, I wanted them because it's a local derby. Hopefully we'll get a big crowd there. It gave me an opportunity to go and watch them as well. If it was a team from North Wales, I probably would have had to get in the car, but I wouldn't have enjoyed it. So yeah, we've done our homework. All our attention will turn to them now, and it's a massive banana skin for us in what is probably the biggest game in the club's history. So we've never been in the quarters before. We want to say we've never been in the semis before in the next round.